Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare Trust Wallet and Phantom Wallet, two popular crypto wallets, to help you decide which one best suits your needs. I've been using both Phantom Wallet and Trust Wallet for the past 2 years, so I believe I can provide you with all the information you need to make a decision or simply learn more about them. I've structured this video into different sections, covering the following topics: platform overview, security and control, fees and costs, features and use cases, and the final verdict. So make sure to watch until the end to get all the information you need. Let's dive into the video. First, let's talk about Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a multi-chain, non-custodial mobile wallet owned by Binance. It supports thousands of cryptocurrencies and DeFi applications. Phantom Wallet, on the other hand, is a Solana-focused, non-custodial wallet designed for seamless interaction with Solana-based tokens, NFTs, and dApps. What about security and control? Well, Phantom Wallet is also non-custodial, offering private key control, built-in phishing protection, and biometric security for mobile users. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, provides full control over private keys. Two-factor authentication is unavailable, but users can secure their wallet with a recovery phrase. What about the fees and costs? Well, Trust Wallet, the app itself, is free to use, but network transaction fees apply based on the blockchain used. Token swaps may also include additional fees. Phantom Wallet is free to download and use, with network fees applying only to transactions on the Solana blockchain, typically very low. Now let's talk about features and use cases. Phantom Wallet is optimized for the Solana ecosystem, offering fast transactions, NFT management, staking, and seamless DeFi access. Trust Wallet supports multiple blockchains, DeFi staking, in-app token swaps, and a Web3 browser for interacting with dApps. I'd say Trust Wallet is best for users who want a multi-chain wallet with extensive asset support and DeFi capabilities. Phantom Wallet is best for Solana users looking for a specialized wallet with advanced Solana NFT and staking features. I would say choose Trust Wallet for broader blockchain support and multi-asset management, as it is the best option for versatility. Pick Phantom Wallet if you're deeply involved in the Solana ecosystem. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.